If your ponytail used to be thick and you can wrap the elastic around 3 times now, then this video is for you. So no doubt when you were younger, your ponytail, yeah, you could wrap it around once, maybe twice. Now you're seeing that it's taking 2-3 turns of the elastic to get into a ponytail. It's common, but it's not untreatable. In fact, it is treatable, and it isn't necessarily tied to age, although it does happen sometimes with age. What it's called is follicle miniaturization. That's just a scientific way of saying that over time the follicle is getting thinner, and there are many reasons for why this is happening. With women in menopause, what I find is that it's because the estrogen is dropping and the androgens are taking over, and so loosely tied to testosterone development and how testosterone breaks down in the body, those androgens are causing those follicles to shrink. And what happens over time is that the diameter of the follicle shrinks, and then the hair just starts looking thinner, and it continues to cycle out until you have like half the size of the ponytail that you used to have. But do not fear, it is treatable. It is very treatable, and it's common, but we really have to find out what's causing that. So we need to find out what's actually causing the miniaturization exactly, because there could be a couple of factors. Generally it's androgens, but there are other things. So what that requires is we have to look at the follicle, actually look at the follicle, not just try to guess. So if this sounds like you, if you're noticing that that ponytail is getting thinner and takes a lot more wraps with the elastic to get into place, then you're probably experiencing some shrinkage. So the next step to that would be a virtual consultation with a trichologist. With me, I would look at the scalp. I would do a trichoscope, which means it just allows me to look at the follicle in depth, and the scalp, the skin, all around it, and that will help me to be able to see what's actually causing it or what it's related to. I also do a medical analysis and take a look at what's happening with you if you have labs. But this will help me be able to determine some of the causes of the hair loss, and that full history will tell us exactly what's causing it and how we can treat it. If you'd like to get a Trichology examination or consultation with me, you can click the link below, and I will see you in the next video.